So this is the first look of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Well, it may seem similar to the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but the real magic is under the hood. So the Samsung is changing the things up by going for the flat display instead of the curved ones. Like the Google did something similar, switching from a curved screen in the Pixel 7 Pro to a flat one in the Pixel 8 Pro. It's a shift toward flat screens in smartphones. Well, talking about the display, so the Galaxy S24 Ultra features 6.78-inch Fat QHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with the 120Hz LTPO panel. Even though it has a big screen, the borders are so thin that it looks super stylish and modern. Well, the latest leak suggests that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature an outstanding 2500 nits of the peak brightness, a significant improvement from the Galaxy S23 Ultras, which had the 715 nits of the peak brightness. According to the tester Avengers, all the three Galaxy S24 models will come with the same display features except for the resolution. Basically, the screen on the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus and the S24 Ultra will look pretty much the same, and the display feature like 2500 nits of the peak brightness will be consistent across all S24 models. Furthermore, all Galaxy S24 series is said to include LTPO technology and all-new M13 OLED panel, which is considered a notable improvement over last year's M12 panel in the Galaxy S23 series. Samsung seemed to embracing ultra-wideband trend too. It is situated on the right side, and this cutting-edge technology is all about enhancing connectivity and improving your overall experience. Performance-wise, Galaxy S24 Ultra will house the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, and this chipset isn't restricted to certain regions. Yeah, you heard it right. No matter where you live in the world, you will get the same top-notch performance. So the Galaxy S24 Ultra will come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, whereas Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus models will ship with a mix of Snapdragon and Exynos chipsets. On the back, you will notice similar quad camera arrangement like the S23 Ultra. So there will be 200 megapixel primary camera equipped with the ISOCELL HP25X sensor. This sensor uses advanced features like super quad face detection, autofocus and pixel binding to significantly enhance your photography game. Additionally, there is a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom camera, a new 50 megapixel 5x optical zoom camera and a laser autofocus sensor. In terms of the sizes, Galaxy S24 Ultra is a bit shorter but slightly wider as compared to its predecessor Galaxy S23 Ultra. And just like the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max, the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature the titanium frame, which not only looks premium but also makes the phone lighter in weight. The battery is said to stay at 5000 mAh and accompanied by the 45-watt fast charging. Samsung is expected to announce Galaxy S24 family at the Galaxy Unpacked event in early 2024. So let me know what you think about the Galaxy S24 Ultra in the comment section down below. And of course, subscribe to this channel for latest news and updates. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.